Do you also want to get into a desired shape? Do you also want to get rid of that extra fat? Do you also want to make your six-pack abs visible? Don't worry guys, I have got you covered. In this video, I will give you 5 basic tips which will help you make your fat loss journey more easier and more effective. If you're interested, let's hop into the video. Welcome back to my channel guys, I'm Tahir Sadikot back with a new video. Before starting with the tips, let's understand basic science behind it. Now first understand, you cannot burn fat from a specific part of your body. Your body or genetics decide from where to burn the maximum fat. You can only reduce your overall body fat percentage. Now let's understand how our body actually burns fat. When food is being digested in our stomach, fat is converted into fatty acid and stored in our body. Carbohydrate is converted into glucose and this glucose is absorbed by stomach and small intestine. Once absorbed, it is released into bloodstream and once in bloodstream, it is ready to use as an energy or can be stored for later use. When there is no stored glucose left, our body goes to fat and then fatty acids are converted into energy and used by our body. And this is how our body actually burns fat. So to create similar situation in our body, we need to be in a caloric deficit. So the first tip is be in caloric deficit. Now many people misunderstand this term. They think being in caloric deficit means not to eat at all or to skip meals or only eating once in a day. That is not true guys. Being in caloric deficit means to consume less calories than your maintenance calories. For example, if you are eating 4 chapatis in a meal, from now onwards you will only eat 3 chapatis in a meal. Or if you are eating 1 plate of rice in a meal, from now onwards you will only eat 3/4 plate of rice in a meal. Remember one thing guys, do not create huge deficit in your diet. Reduce the amount of calories gradually. And always remember one thing throughout your fat loss journey. Eat slightly less than you are full. Never eat till you are full. Keep creating that deficit in your body. One bonus tip guys, stay away from sugar and sugary foods as much as you can. Because sugar can be your worst enemy during fat loss journey. And guys, do not forget to pair this diet with enough exercise. And here we come to our second tip guys, which is high intensity physical exercise and workout. After creating that caloric deficit in your diet, it is necessary that you burn those calories you have consumed by working out. The rule for fat loss is, you need to burn more calories than you are consuming. If you do not follow this rule, you won't be able to see any results. So guys, pair your diet with high intensity workout and enough cardio. As we all know, we are stuck in this lockdown. Look at it as an opportunity to get in your desired shape. We aren't eating any junk food right now, we are only eating homemade food. So guys, eat well, exercise well and you will definitely see results. So guys, our third tip is keeping realistic goals. I've seen many people keeping unrealistic goals like burning 10 kgs in a month or getting shredded in a week and all. Guys, if you're keeping unrealistic goals and if you fail to achieve them, you will lose your motivation and you will stop your journey. After some time you will start the journey again, you will again fail, you will again stop and this cycle will go on. Instead, go a bit easy on yourself. Keep your goals realistic and keep your diet practical so you can sustain it for a longer period of time and won't give up in a shorter span. Keep your diet, your goals a bit practical. Reward yourself with a pastry once in a week or so, but it shouldn't happen on a daily basis. Once in a month or in a week is okay. So guys, keep your goals a bit practical and you will be able to stick to it for a longer period of time. So guys, our fourth tip is keeping your protein intake high. A high protein diet leads to major reduction in hunger and is the main reason why protein helps you lose fat. It automatically makes you eat fewer calories. It activates body signals that reduces appetite, overeating and cravings. A high protein diet can speed up your metabolism and protein takes more time to digest as compared to carbohydrates and also releases heat while digesting, which will help you burn that extra fat. A protein-rich diet will also help you build muscle mass while reducing fat. So guys, our last tip is following an intermittent fasting type of diet. We have 24 hours in a day. In this type of diet, we have to fast for 14 to 16 hours and only drink water, black coffee and green tea during this time. We have to consume all our meals during the 8 to 10 hours window we are left with. Intermittent fasting makes you eat fewer calories automatically and helps you optimize all your fat loss related hormones. Intermittent fasting helps you speed your metabolism, which will help you burn more fat. It has been proved, guys, that intermittent fasting is the best method for fat loss. Guys, if you want me to make a detailed video on intermittent fasting, do comment in the comment box and I will make it for you. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to never miss a video from my channel.